All right, 25 kilometers north of Niš, Serbia. You turn off the main road, drop into a gorge, and suddenly the world gets quiet. No hotels, no neon signs, no tourist-trapped gift shops selling magnets, just limestone cliffs, a clear river running between them, steam rising off the water in the morning light. Welcome to Banja, Topilo.
I feel no pain.
The water here sits at 34 degrees Celsius, warm, mineral-rich, and coming straight out of the rock. People come for the rheumatism, joint pain, nerve problems, the kind of aches that pile up after years of physical work, or in my case, years of sitting on a motorcycle, pretending that's not physical work. The minerals in the water go after inflammation, improve circulation, and give your muscles the kind of deep relaxation that no foam roller has ever actually delivered. Drink from the spring. Yes, you drink it. And it works on the stomach, the kidneys, the bile ducts. The locals have been doing it for centuries. The doctor here will tell you 20 minutes in the pool, once a day, not more. Apparently, too much of a good thing applies even to miracle water. But walk out after that 20 minutes and you'll understand why people have been coming back to this canyon since 1832. Something in the water just resets you. If this is your first time on our channel, welcome. In this series, we'll take you across Serbia, exploring its breathtaking landscapes, hidden gems, rich history, and the roads that make every ride unforgettable. We will explore Serbia's natural beauty, be your guides, show you the most scenic roads for driving, discover the wonders Serbia has to offer, and reveal interesting facts that come from Serbia that you may not have known about. We already have some videos on the channel, but they are in Serbian, so we've decided to start from the beginning. Welcome to our channel. Subscribe, give us a like, and join us on this journey. We do this for you out of our love for nature and our passion for driving. And then there's this, the Petrified Cave, Okamenjana Pachina. This canyon has been home to people for as long as anyone can remember. Believers and non-believers alike. God, according to the old stories, was patient with all of them. He forgave the faithless, welcomed back the lost, kept reaching out even to those who turned away. But then came the blasphemers. Not just people who doubted, not just the lost or the confused. These were men who actively preached, who gathered followers and spread what the legend calls the vilest lies about God and the nature of creation. Organized, deliberate, loud, and according to the legend, they chose this cave for their grand gathering. All the leaders, all in one place, planning their next move. God heard about the meeting. His response was not a sermon. The rock closed. Let them remain in their sin for ages upon ages. May they never come out. May no one ever reach them. And so they remain, sealed inside, still conspiring, apparently, because visitors today report hearing whispers from within the cave, murmurs through the rock, the sound of a plot that never quite finished, which is why if you visit, you'll find a bench in front of the sealed entrance. The inscription says it's there for rest and for listening to the blasphemers still locked inside. But I sat on that bench for a while. I'm not saying I heard anything. I'm also not saying I didn't.